please let me know. Yesterday topic was the types of what are the function and how you are supposed to use function. I show you some use cases regarding the functions. So today we are going to describe what are various types of arguments, and we see in the last video the various different types of the way how you can pass the arguments and how you are supposed to return the multiple values from a single function, and how you are passed the one function output to another as a input. We describe these things into the great detail in the yesterday class. If you have any doubt, please let me know before proceed further. So today we are going to discuss about the types of the argument and various types of argument which are available inside the Python. The first one is the positional and the second one is the keyword. Next, the default, variable length, keyword argument. These are the 5 basic types of the argument by which you are supposed to pass the value to a function. Okay, so there is one terminology that is called actual arguments. Okay, and the one is the formal arguments. So there is one terminology. I will explain this terminology, then I will come to this point, what exactly the types of the argument that you are supposed to pass into a function. Okay, so let's suppose this one is my function def of add of a b. Okay, and it is returning me a plus b. That's it, very simple function. And here this concept is called calling the function. Here I am passing the value 10 and 20. Okay, so what are the actual, these are the actual arguments, and these become the formal arguments. These are the formal arguments. Okay, the actual argument that I am passing these values to these formal argument, that's why these are called the actual arguments, because these contain the actual value, what value that you are supposed to pass into this function. Okay, and these are considered as a formal arguments. Two types of terminologies are there. The one is the actual and the second one is the formal. So this concept is called formal argument and this concept is called actual argument, which are actually contain the value. For example, a is equal to 10, b is equal to 20. Rather than to pass directly a and 10 and 20, you can pass this a and you can pass this b as well. So these parameters are called the actual arguments, because they contain the actual value, what value that you are supposed to pass into this function, and this the processing unit, what processing unit, that totally depend upon the function to function. Okay, now I am moving ahead. The first type of argument is called positional argument. So name specify itself the positional argument. Okay, the name specify itself the position, basically on what position that I am supplying the value is assigning on the formal parameters on the same position. Okay, so understand this concept. Let's suppose I am making a function that the function is wish, and here I am passing a name and message. Okay, these take two parameter, or you can say the two arguments. The one is the name and the second one is the message, and now I am printing on the screen hello comma name and print message. Okay, that's it, simple. The message, whatever the value inside this msg. Okay, so the output on the screen, that would be a display hello name, whatever the name that you pass, it will contain into this variable, and the message, whatever the message that you will pass, that will be entered into this. So now I am calling this function wish. Okay, I am passing a name, let's suppose Nitin. Okay, and again I am passing the message, that is the good morning. That's it.
Sorry to interrupt, but I think recording is not working.
Okay, yes. Recording not done. I think it's running. Yes, it's running. Let me